In this video, I will show you exactly how to filter your analytical data logs by specific time frames within Typeform so you can get the precise insights you need for your projects. To get started with this process, you first need to open your specific form from your dashboard. Once you have the form open, navigate to the main menu panel located at the very top of the screen and click on the Results tab. This is where all your data lives. From here, you have two main options depending on what you want to analyze. You can select Insights if you want to filter your big picture analytical charts, see your drop-off rates, or track unique visitor metrics over time. Alternatively, you can select Responses if you need to filter the raw, individual row-by-row submission ledger for more detailed viewing. Once you have made your selection, take a look at the upper right corner of your data workspace. Right above the charts or the response rows, you will see the Date Range Picker tool. By default, this usually shows all time, but you can change that easily. Go ahead and click on it to open the selection menu. From the drop-down that appears, you can choose one of the convenient preset time frames, such as the last 7 days, the last 30 days, or even just the current month. If you need something even more specific, go ahead and select Custom Range. This option allows you to click on specific start and end dates directly on the calendar grid to pinpoint the exact period you want to review. After you have made your selection, simply click the Apply button to update the view. Now your data will reflect only the information from your chosen duration. This makes it incredibly easy to track trends or find specific submissions without digging through old logs. It is a simple but powerful way to manage your form results and keep your analytics organized for any reporting you need to do today.